When it comes to the medical expenses, it's really getting more expensive. In fact, for 2024, ang average spent ng healthcare ng Filipino has actually increased by 18%. So it's not really getting cheap. It's really getting more expensive.
At saka kahit yung nabanggit lang ni Tony yung medical expenses, di ba marami tayong mga kilala, recently na mga consultant natin,
Yes,
mga doktor
oo.
mismo na
Nagkakasakit.
nagdi-deplete talaga yung savings nila kapag na-hospital na tipong, sabi ko, iniisip ko, bakit kaya itong consultant na to, palagay ko naman mayaman na sila.
Or at least comfortable,
As in,
diba?
or at least comfortable, pero meron silang donation drive for the medical expenses.
Ibig sabihin nga, ganun kalaki yung pwedeng mawala sa'yo. Kasi even if you have a stable income, even if you're more or less comfortable, pag may nagkasakit, biglang wala yun, zero.
Meron ako emergency fund, pero feeling ko hindi yun sasapat.
Alam mo, lagi ko iniisip yun, emergency fund ko, magkasakit lang ako once, wala na.
Totoo, no?